Alright, what I have here is the unedited version of the photo. Um, First of all, so the steps I had to take were the lighting created a scenario in which the iris was not the correct coloring. Um, so, and of course, so basically, just let's step back for a moment. What I started with was the skin. Um, and you'll notice that the skin is very crisp. There's a lot of detail, and that is to say, there's actually too much detail, and it doesn't look good. It's not to say that any subject is ever, it's not like it's ugly. It's just that skin really just naturally doesn't look good, blown up. Um, it's something that we don't see with the naked eye because we're not that close. We can't pick that out with our eye, but when you're actually focused on it with the camera, you can see all that detail, and it's not appealing to the eye, and it's distracting, and it's not that the person is unattractive. It's just that that is just what skin it looks like. So what I did was I kind of blurred the skin in the places that I just kind of went around blurring it. Um, and what that does is that kind of it gives it a more natural look because it almost kind of acts as if you're further away because you're seeing less detail. It smooths it out. It just looks more natural because that's how we're used to seeing skin, is that more smooth look, and it gets rid of some of that detail. And at the same time, it also doubles as creating um, uh, just kind of a blur. So using like a tunnel vision, so the eye actually pops out more. What I also did was remove some of the splotches here from the mascara that was on the skin. I removed that, and also some of the more prominent lines and wrinkles, blurring those as well as removing some of them, and like certain like little strands of hair. I removed little subtle things that all add up. The eye whites I lightened up because to give it a more natural look, to make it pop out more, and definitely the iris I color changed to the correct color, and also enhanced it even more to make it really pop. And I made it. I actually enhanced the pixels to make them actually more harsh, kind of. So it looks more. It's coming at you. It's more detailed. And yeah. So I did all that, and then that turned into this, and it just you can tell the blur, everything. You don't see as much detail. That's not a bad thing because that's how you would perceive that to look. Plus, again, you're immediately drawn to the eye because of the colors and because it's popping out, the eye white, the blue, it's coming right at you. And there's nothing that really stands out here. Again, here you see all the details of the skin. You tend to focus on that more. Um, it's not as colorful, but this just really pops out, and that's just that's what I did. Also, again, some of the more even minor detail you notice, some of the mascara, here and a little bit here and down here, and even this little gunk here. And I got rid of all of that, so that's gone, all gone. So yeah, that is what I did. Two eyeballs.